Okay. Oh my. Okay. Hey guys. My neck should not be my legs back, but y'all probably see the box. That's Oh, this box gonna be heavy. Oh, I ordered some stuff from Amazon. I ordered it. Yeah, beginning of this month. I had ordered it on Amazon, and I ordered some books that I ordered, but I already opened the box. One of the tape wasn't really close to open. I already had opened it when I got it. I'm gonna show y'all of the stuff in. So, but before we get started, before I show you, I'm gonna say hi. My name is Tiffany, and this is my YouTube channel. I post videos on this channel, and I post a video on my vlogging channel through my second channel. That would be in the description box. You could go and subscribe on there. Subscribe on here. So let's grow some more, get some more subscribers on this channel. I know I haven't posted videos for a while since the last time I had posts doing about I had that water damage in my old apartment, but y'all probably could go and watch that video. The last video I kind of explained it to y'all about what happened, but I keep saying but let's get started on to this video. So I want to show y'all the first box that I got. So yeah, I already know what the books is, some of them probably. I mean, you probably saw these books on TikTok, the trends, like the book talk about it, some of them. Okay, so the first book is called King Creek. Is something Creek? I'm not good at that because I'm like, you know, I had problems with my reading as a kid. I had learned disability, so I still have that a little bit as an adult, but I don't care what people say about that. But I want to get into reading books like I used to do. But okay, I'll talk about that next time. But yeah, I got this book. I decided to get this because I kept seeing it. I was like, kind of like the color of it. It looks really nice. I think this is supposed to be the third one. I know it's supposed to be a series book. So yeah, it's supposed to be a series book. Right? But yeah, it's like, yes, this, and it got like all the readings in the back because it said he had her, he lost her, and he do anything to win her back. Oh, okay. You get the book, you can read behind it. So if you want to pause the video, you can pause it and see on here, and also the name of the book of the author of the book, named Annie Hargan. I hope I say her name right. So the next book is, it's not the other series of the other one, but the next one, y'all probably saw this one book too, because I kept seeing it on TikTok, and I'm like, okay, now I want to get that book now. So is this book. Y'all probably saw this, and it has all the series like right here. If you want to pause it, you see it right here too. It has long, but yeah, it has on here, and it has like all the stuff in the back. It says, "You are the light to my dark, sunshine without you, my loss." Oh wow, well, it's kind of romantic. And this one's called Twisted Love. It says he has a heart of the ice, but for her he burned the world. So it is a #1 New York Times bestseller. Same name of the author of this book. So I didn't know it. I didn't know until I looked at it when I got the book. I didn't know she has all series books of it. So I didn't know of that. It has all the collections of it, and also it has like this in the back of, I think it has a series, different series of this book. I try to read books that are not thick because it takes me long reading books. That's probably why I don't read books all the time. I think it's because I just didn't. I think it's because I felt like I get bored reading books. And so, but yeah. Okay, next one is the same of the author. So it's Twisted Games. So it's Twisted Games, and it says that he can't have her, but he's taking her away. But he taking her away. If I'm saying it right. So this is the Twisted book 2. So it's the second series book. Reading the back says, "Perhaps I was always mean to find my love." Not love. I mean, perhaps I was always meant to find my way to you. So it has like all that too, the same way series. This one's like a little thicker than this one. So it's kind of like, yeah. So I'm gonna show you that again. This is the book. Okay, the next two ones I got that y'all saw, this one is the blue one and the orange one book. if y'all saw the cereal that I showed it to y'all. So I got this one. So yeah, this is another author. It says The Court of Frost and Starlight. So Sarah J. Max, not Max. Like, see, I'm not good at words and good at people names either. And New York Times bestseller author says on there, and so y'all see. So you'll probably see it's like right here, and so it has that on that because she got series 2. I don't know which series of this one to be. Got the other series. So let me show you the other one before I show that. So yeah, I have. This is the thick one. I don't know. I'm trying to challenge myself to see if I could read a thick book. I did it before. I think with Harry Potter when I was in high school, but I don't know how long it's gonna take me reading this book because I'm gonna challenge myself. But I'm trying to finish this other book I gotta show y'all after this. Yeah, I got this one, and I did the other collections of the series, the other 2 ones. I'm gonna show you at the end. I got some books right on my it's my shelf that I got right here that I'm using to film on. But yeah, this is the last box, but it's in here. I already had opened it. That was when I had got the book. Okay, so I'm gonna show you other books, and also I got some other stuff that I'm gonna use for the books. I think I had got like to write down my stuff for the books I read. So for these books, so the first one in this book, I got the same author book. Oh, excuse me. So this is the first one. It's The King of Worth It. See, like I said, I'm not good at sounding it out that well. So this is the other one. This is the first one. So this is like the book 1, number 1 series. The series 1. The other one is probably like series 2, if I'm right. But they separate the book from the other one. So they put I think it's because probably the size, maybe could be that. So yeah, I had got this one too. And it has that on here. The same author named Anne Harden. I gotta learn how to say her name right. It says in the back, it says, she was my North Star, the brightest Jewish, it's not jury really, in my sky. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm talking about. Right here, y'all see, it says it read right there. So it's of the book, and if you get it, I heard about it. It is really good. These series books is really good. I think I like reading series books. I did, like I said, I did in middle school. I did of the red series books from when I was in middle school, but it's about these black kids. It's a series book about these teenagers. There was like an 8th grade level book that I had, so I think they was trying to get my reading level up to like 8th grade. I think I might be in the 7th grade. I think. Next one, this is the Twisted Hate. So this one is the 3rd series book. So it has like I saw it, and also I like the color of it. It's just really nice, soft. When I got it, it did smell good. When I got it, like a fresh smells. So it has that, and it has this possibly of you is the better than the reality of anyone else. So if y'all like see it in the back at the top, and you see at the bottom, it has all the other series. It's the same as the other one. So yeah, this is the third one. So yeah. But yeah, I'm challenging myself. I'm trying to challenge myself to keep up with these books and keep challenging myself to see if I can read the whole book. I might not be able to read the book the whole month, and maybe I might finish the book probably the next month, because that's how my reading is. I think it's because I'm trying to get more understanding of the person in the book, and maybe it could be that. The next one is The Twisted Lies, the series, the 4th series book. So I got that one, the same author book. And in the back, y'all probably see on that one. So it says, if my thoughts were, I think I heard this word before. Charles? Not Charles. Charges? I'm just gonna let y'all see what I'm talking about. I'm just like learning. I'm learning these words that I never heard or I heard before. If I don't remember the words, I forgot how to say it. That's how my mind with the learning is. Okay, next one. This is The King of Pride, series 2, the 2nd series book. So this is the other one, same author. I'll let y'all read at the back. Some words I know, but I'll let y'all still read in the back, so y'all probably see what I'm talking about if you want to pause it of the book. And And I like the color because it's my favorite color. Purple is like my favorite. Purple and mixed with pink is kind of my favorite color. So I like the color of it. And, it's like nice. So the next one is the SOT series, the fourth series. So I probably see the same author, and it says in the back, it says he never want anyone else to chase them until he met her. Like, say, like right here, y'all probably see that means he want to chase her really bad. I think I heard about it. So the last one, this is a thick book too. The Kina Wins and Run. So y'all probably see this one, and the Sarah J. Maxon, and in the back, y'all see it of what it says. I think this book, it is like a thick book. This in the back of it, y'all probably see. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm trying to let y'all see it good, but it has that in the back. Okay, I got them done. So the other stuff I got for the books that I'm gonna read doing when I get finished the other books. So okay, I had bought this reading journal because I saw people, I think on TikTok, maybe on TikTok or on YouTube, that they write their stuff down when what they read, some pages they add what they read. So I decided to get this on Amazon. I would tell you the price of it, it'd be on the screen, but I had got this one. It says 5 minutes a day. It has like at the back of it says 5 minutes a day. I think it's kind of like 5 minutes a day, like if you read books by 5 minutes, I think. But I'm trying to get into read my books by probably, I would say 15 minutes or 10 minutes, probably 10 minutes or 15 minutes. One I had been in it, the book been in it. I got this one because I do need me a book, not book cover, what do you call it? One of them book card things to put my, so I don't have to be bending my book pages on the book because I don't want to do that. So yeah, I had ordered this. Wasn't that, maybe it wasn't quite that much really, but yeah, if y'all can read it, what it says create the life you love. So yeah, it has, yeah, just the pins for the book for my writing it down, put the highlights and stuff in the writing it down. So I kind of got this one too, if y'all can see it of it. So yeah, but let me see if I can light this up a little more. And I had got this one too. I think this is also for you to use to put in the books of the cover of the page. So I never did open it yet, because I never did tried it. Oh, that smells good in here. Oh, that's what it is. I think, yeah, these is like, I forgot why I got this. I think it's for the books of the pages. So that's what this is for. You could put it between on the pages that you left off at. So I had got these book. I had got it from Walmart in my job, and I got the other series books that I had got. That's just like them, and this is a thick book too. So I had got this. I have to look at it. So me says it's the rose. Okay, the rose one is the first one. So this is the first one I gotta read whenever I do. I'm gonna read this first. This is the second one. So this is the second one. So these the two I had got first at Walmart. So these the ones I will read. Got these books at Walmart too. So I haven't read these yet, but I just like the color of it, shining color of it. So yeah, I have. That's 2 books. I got this. This one, I saw this movie and I didn't know it was a series book, and I saw the movie. I didn't know. I saw it on TV, on Prime Video. And then, and I got this book. I just kind of like this color of it, too. I just like the color. And also, I just want to have books is in my room, not just like, oh, my breath was coming. Okay, so this is the other book. If y'all read this book before, let me know in the comments if you read this book. I kind of understand a little bit. It's got different chapters of different people, I think, in different lives. I just want to show y'all of the books that I had ordered on Amazon, and tell y'all the books that I had got from like last year or the beginning of the year that I never had a chance to read yet. So, but yeah, but I hope y'all enjoy this video. If you like it, thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, and click the bell notification, and keep following social medias and keep growing this channel. Come to this channel and also my second channel too. But I see y'all in my next video, and I hope y'all enjoy. So let's grow. And also, like I said, comment below what videos you want me to do, especially it's summer, so I want to do like a summer video or something like that. But yeah, I see y'all in my next video. Go watch my last videos too. So peace, y'all. Bye.